So we found a girl. She's having some trouble with this coffee machine right now, so yeah, I forgot to say this is Cortez. Lifeguard on duty. That ass. No. Yet the instructions are right on top of the machine. She just cannot figure it out.
She's tearing it apart.
Yeah. I'm just saying this is the definition of being a blonde. Oh. Let's see if she finally notices the instructions. Oh, there she goes. There you go.
Derpity derp.
If you haven't noticed, we're at the Shane Company. 1.5 mile east of I-25 on Arapahoe Road. Who gives a fuck?
You don't get paid for advertising.
Come on, there you go. Oh.
That was fun.
There you go. There you go. Oh my god, there's Skylar. Chris.
Okay.
This isn't Anchorman, I'm just saying. But and then yeah, there she goes.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Oh my god, she even had trouble with the fucking door. Alright guys, bye, have a good time.